So this is the Derive home screen. In here you can see that there is a map that shows your general location, a friends list to show who is nearby you and online versus offline, and a profile, just a quick summary of who you are. To see all your friends, you can click on the pop-up bar next to the friends list to see all your friends list. Here you can search, add new friends, and see your friends in alphabetical order. Back in the home screen, in your profile area, you have your personal preferences of transportation. Here it includes busing, walking, and biking. These preferences are taken into account when the system generates your Derive when you join one, and it generates a route that takes into account your personal preferences. For curiosity, you can also select offline, curious, or very curious. The very curious mode allows strangers who are within a certain radius to invite you on their Derive. This allows you to meet people you wouldn't have otherwise and also to see new interesting places. So let's start by creating a Derive. The first screen that comes up is the first step. Here you select what category you would like to select. In this instance, we'll be selecting sites. So then you click next. And then here is a list of sites in San Francisco where we currently are. It's the same thing as the previous menu. You just click where you want. In this case, the Exploratorium. And then the next one is to see what kind of friends you would like to invite. You can check and you can uncheck them. So let's invite Tony and Steve. And then the next screen, this is the time. The time shows the final time you would want the arrival to be, and then it's also broken down by the earliest possible time, the buffer time to allow everyone time to wander and see the sights, and then the arrive length. This is broken down for your convenience and does not need to be edited. If you want to edit a time, you can click on the time button and then you can type in a new time. In this instance, we'd like to keep it at 4:32 p.m. So now you're back to this screen and you go to the next. And the next screen is a list of preferences. So here you can select how the route is calculated or constructed for everyone. Again, there is a global transportation option. Here you can select no buses. Filled in box means it utilizes the user setting, and then the checkmarked box means that it overrides the user setting and will add this transportation method to everyone's path. You can also select different types of routing, which varies from hills, off-roads to scenic, and then you can select the type of person you are relative to your location. If you're a resident, it pre-fills the terrain to include grassy area, roads, and dirt paths. This is preset based on the type of person you are to take into account the kind of adventure you would like. These are always editable. You can always uncheck grass or road or dirt if you did not like them. But for now, let's keep with these settings. So now there's a toast that shows that the Derive is created, and then it goes back to the home screen. So